I'd like to minimize coring of fine turf surfaces, but if this work has to be done, wouldn't it make sense to clean up the easy way? Hi, I'm Micah Woods, Chief Scientist at the Asian Turfgrass Center. Core sweepers are a standard piece of equipment at golf courses in Japan. On a recent visit, I had hoped to shoot some videos of this machine in action. However, it works so quickly at cleaning up the cores that by the time I arrived, I found it already finished with the work and parked at the maintenance yard. A few years ago, I visited Fuji Classic while the greens were being cored. The sweeper picks up the cores just as fast as they are being pulled. For such a disruptive, although sometimes essential process, use of a core sweeper makes the cleanup as painless as possible. There's a lot more information about coring or not coring and turfgrass around the world at asianturfgrass.com.